So guys, we are going to unwrap our package. Our package was sent from Nairobi City to where I am. Man, I can't believe I have this one. I'm getting it a challenge to open the box because I'm using both hands, and at the same time I'm supposed to hold my phone for recording. So guys, be with me till the end. Remember to hit that subscribe button, guys. Megapixel front camera again, 5.3K resolution. I don't know this one, 33 feet 10 meters. I'm not sure about this one. GP2 processor, meaning it is, I don't know. Wow. Hyper smooth 4.0. Wow, this thing is very good. Wow, you can stream a live session up to 1080 pixels. That's quite good. Wow. So now where can we open again? Here. We open slowly. Not here. Where are we opening? Jesus Christ. Where are we opening it from? Or it has some adhesives also. Now we can just remove this one. Wow. So we can open inside so that we see what is inside. So let's go and zip it. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. What is this one? Okay, so this one is the manual. Okay, this one is the manual. I will see it. There are two. I will see them later. Wow. Wow. This one is the camera itself. The main thing is this one. Very fantastic, small, classic, black, fine tune, very fine. This, let me put here. Then we have our Type-C charger cable for charging the GoPro. Type-C cable for charging the GoPro. What else do we have? We have battery. We have battery. The battery is okay. Wow. The battery is here. Oh, what is this? Okay, the attachments. Okay. The screw for tightening the GoPro. Perfecto. What is this one? Okay, this is for, I think, if you want to attach the GoPro to a car. Okay, one day I'll have a car. To a car, you use this one. So you place it like this way, and then you attach your GoPro. Do you have another one? No. Wow. The GoPro is very fantastic. Very fine, fine tune. Wow. Open up. Wow. GoPro 10. I hope guys you can see that one. The phone has a lower quality. This one is where? Okay. The on button. Oh, the on and off button is this one. Or mode. I don't know. The thing is this one. I've never used a GoPro. This is my first time. So we are learning from scratch. This is the power symbol. So meaning this one is the on and off button. Okay, this is where we can attach our handle. Very nice. charge this GoPro and then I will come back to you. I will tell you how it works. So guys, after 1 hour I decided to unplug it from the power. I know at least it is charged. So let us remove this paper. Yep. So the button of switching it on and off is this one. So let us switch it on a little bit. Very good. Now that is our camera. I've already opened it. I've already set the account online with the GoPro. There is an app which you're supposed to set with it online. So I downloaded the app, I set my account, and now the GoPro is ready to be used. So can you see me in that camera inside there? Look at that person. There. That's me using my phone. The phone is not phoning. Okay. So that GoPro is super duper. Very good. About the price, I know some of you may want to ask, how much did I get this camera? How much did I remove from the pockets to get this damn camera? So this GoPro, it's a version 10, GoPro Hero 10. Hero 10 goes at 42,000 Kenyan shillings if you're in Kenya. In dollars, how much is 42,000 in dollars? Around what? Around 420, roughly $400. Yeah, roughly $400 USD. That is US dollars. 400 USDs. Yeah. So guys, this one is a good camera. I hope it will make me proud. Wow. So guys, see you in the next video. I'll be vlogging with this camera, and this being my first video, man, wow, look at that boy.